If you've encountered security checks on Coinbase and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting a recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. After submitting your identity verification, check your email for any messages from Coinbase. They may send you an email with further instructions or confirmation of your verification status. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder as well. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Go to your account settings and select the option to set up 2FA. This typically involves linking your phone number or using an authentication app. Step 4. Review account activity. Log into your account and review your recent account activity. Look for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Coinbase immediately through the support channels. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If you're still unable to regain full access after completing the above steps, reach out to Coinbase support. Provide them with all necessary details about your account and the issues you're facing. They will guide you through the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Coinbase account after security checks. Always ensure your account is secure by keeping your information updated and monitoring your activity regularly.